On this edition of Trail Groundz, we talk about other YouTube channels, progress on the Expo, and some cool new upgrades on the Jeep. Thanks for joining, everyone.
This video is brought to you in part by Raven Truck Accessories and North Shore Off-Road.
Thanks for joining for another edition of Trail Groundz, everybody. This one's kind of exciting. I'm here by the Red Deer River, just having a good old time. Anyways, I'm going to use Trail Groundz to kind of update the channel as it goes along, and just kind of let you guys know what's going on, because there's been a lot going on. I'm super excited about it. First, I guess we'll jump in with the Expo, because the Expo has been really coming along. All the 20x20 booths have sold out, which is absolutely amazing. We're thinking about making some more 20x20 booths available, so if you're interested in purchasing a 20x20 booth, just keep in touch with us. We might have a kind of a new update on that soon, so yeah, just keep in touch with us on that. Anyways, lots of really cool things happening for the Expo as well. Some really cool guests and events that are going to be happening. We're going to start rolling that out and letting you all in on the exciting stuff that's happening. So anyways, Expo news, absolutely positive, and we're looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to having everyone at the Expo. We're going to have a blast this year. Anyway, speaking of coffee, I'm having coffee here with my new coffee cup, Tinting with Keith. He is out of Williams Lake. So Williams Lake is British Columbia. That is my hometown. I went to school with Keith, and he's got his own YouTube channel. You guys got to check it out, Tinting with Keith. It's actually a pretty neat channel. Go check it out. Give him a like and subscribe. Yeah, Keith, I like my new cup. Thank you so much. I want it on his channel, and he sent it out to me, and it came all the way to Alberta in one piece, which is amazing, because most things like this don't usually arrive in one piece. I love my new cup. Absolutely. I'm going to enjoy this. You're going to see it on the channel a lot more. Anyways, check out Tinting with Keith. And speaking of people from my hometown of Williams Lake, if you guys haven't seen Destination Adventure, Dustin Porter, Destination Adventure, he's from Williams Lake as well. So he's another YouTube channel that you have to check out. Lots of really cool adventures. He's been all over North America. Definitely worth checking out. Check out Destination Adventure. So the Jeep. We've got lots of updates on the Jeep. Had to replace the ball joints. Had to replace the front steering, so we went with the Synergy front steering kit. Ended up replacing the ball joints, also the tube seals, kind of went through all brand new brakes all the way around. And so we've got it geared up for another couple years of adventure, which is really nice. Also got new tires. Ended up getting some Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MTs, and I have to say I'm super impressed with them so far. For a mud terrain, they are nice and quiet, considering they're a mud terrain. I've had a lot of other tires that were a lot noisier, and they were all terrain, so I'm super happy with them so far. I'll let you know how it all kind of goes after a few good long road trips, but the Jeep is good to go for some more adventure, and I'm really excited to get that going. Anyways, lots of upgrades planned. Now, you guys know that I started tent camping. Took the rooftop tent off, started going with the tent camp. I am enjoying it. There's definite advantages to tent camping, and I've got a new video that I'm working on, rooftop tent versus ground tent camping, and it'll be interesting, because I've had the chance to try it all. The rooftop tent, I've had soft shell, I've had hard shell, and now I've got the Gazelle ground tent. So I'm working hard on that video to kind of do a comparison test, see how it works out. So pretty interested to bring that to you as well. A few really awesome trips planned throughout the summer here, and yeah, just it seems like a time of transition. Lots of cool things happening right now. So that's why I wanted to just kind of come out and, mention what's going on. By the way, isn't this beautiful? The beautiful Red Deer River. I love coming out to this particular spot, actually. It's silent, it's quiet, absolutely love it.